Candidates start. This petition has been filed under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, challenging orders passed by District Judge, Azamgarh, in Civil Appeal number 161 of 2014, as well as the order of District Magistrate, Azamgarh, in case number 7/13 of 2014 under Section 72(2) of the Excise Act, Police Station Kotwali, District Azamgarh, Para. Brief facts relating to the dispute are that a vehicle, owned by petitioner, was seized by the excise authorities, on the ground that 48 bottles of liquor was being unauthorizedly and illegally transported in its stop. A first information report was lodged and District Magistrate, Azamgarh, proceeded to confiscate the vehicle in question, Mahindra Bolero vehicle number UP 52V-3301, white order dated 3rd April, 2014 stop. This order has been challenged by filing an appeal before District Judge, Azamgarh, which has also been rejected stop. Thus aggrieved, present petition has been filed assailing aforesaid orders, Para. Learned counsel for the petitioners submits that the orders, under challenge, are wholly without jurisdiction and illegal, in as much as District Magistrate concerned has not complied with the mandatory requirement of proviso to subsection 2 of Section 72 of the UP Excise Act, Section 72 of the Act stop. He submits that before ordering confiscation of the vehicle, the collector was under an obligation to afford an option to petitioner to pay fine, as determined by him, in lieu of its confiscation stop. He submits that in the facts of the present case, no such option was provided to the owner, and therefore, there is a non-compliance of the statutory provisions, vitiating the order of confiscation itself stop. He further submits that such plea was raised by the petitioner in appeal, and the district judge concerned, although has noticed such contention, but no discussion or finding with regard to it has been returned stop. He has placed reliance upon a decision of this court in this regard in Pappu Yadav versus State of UP and others, start 2014 (84) ACC 497 close stop. It is submitted that since there is a non-compliance of statutory provision in question, as such, the orders impugned cannot be sustained stop. Para. Learned standing counsel appearing for the state submits that conduct of the petitioner is such that he is not entitled to benefit of the proviso, in as much as it is contended that the petitioner had applied for release of the vehicle in proceedings, under Section 60 of the UP Excise Act, wherein a conditional order was passed to release the vehicle upon deposit of rupees 4 lakhs, which was subsequently reduced in revision to rupees 1,50,000, but no deposit, pursuant to said order, has been made stop. He submits that since the petitioner has failed to comply with the orders already passed for release of vehicle, no interference in this matter is required stop. Petitioner is not serious in securing release of the vehicle, and that is why he has neither participated in the proceedings pending before the collector, nor has shown his bona fide by depositing any amount stop. It is also submitted that as none has appeared before the collector, no occasion arose for the collector to give an option to pay fine, in lieu of confiscation of vehicle. Stop.